Hi all, in this video, you're going to learn about inheritance in Java. This is Roslyn Diana, Assistant Professor, CSE Department, RMD Engineering College. What's inheritance? Inheritance is the process of acquiring all properties and behaviors of one class to another. A class, if you have in Java, the class all features can be used by another class. Acquiring the properties and behavior of child class from the parent class. So inheritance represents the is a relationship, also known as parent-child relationship, which is illustrated in this figure. So there is a class called animal. It is called as superclass, or you can call it as parent class. It has two methods, eat off and sleep off. Then there is one particular class that is dog, which is actually an animal. So it belongs to the animal class. So this dog is a child or subclass. It has its own specific method, bark off. So the dog will have the bark off method, which is specific to dog, and also the animal's common property or methods, that is eat and sleep off methods. So inheritance is the property of acquiring the behavior of the parent class to the child class. Advantages of inheritance in Java. It is used for method overriding, that is called runtime polymorphism, and for code reusability. So a parent class has methods or behaviors means no need to define it again in the child class. Syntax for inheritance. You have to define a class that is actually a subclass or child class. It should extend the superclass or parent class. So there is a keyword used here in a normal class definition. The keyword is extends. Class, child class extends parent class. And curly braces should be represented. Within that, the behavior or property of the child class should be defined. What is a subclass or child class? Subclass is a class which inherits the other class. It is also called a derived class, extended class, or child class. Then superclass or parent class. Superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the features. It is also called a base class or a parent class. Now we will see what are the types of inheritance in Java. There are mainly four types of inheritance supported by Java: single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. Multiple inheritance is not directly supported in Java. It should be done through a specific concept called interface. Types of inheritance with the diagram, it is shown here. And syntax is also shown. Single inheritance, there is class A and class B. Class B is the child of class A. It directly inherits all the properties of class A. Multi-level inheritance, there will be multi-level children that will be inheriting the parent class features. So here class C, it extends the behavior of class B. Class B extends the behavior of class A. Hierarchical inheritance, there will be two child classes in the same level, which will be using the features of the parent class or extend the parent class behaviors. So here in this example, there are two classes B and C. They have the common parent A. And there is multiple inheritance. That is, there will be one child class. That child class will have two parent classes. This is not directly supported in Java because there will be confusion in the compiler to use which behavior of what parent it has to use. It will have the confusion. First type of inheritance, single inheritance. It is the process of extending single subclass from single superclass. Here example is there is mango subclass which inherits the features of fruit parent class. And here the example program code is given. String, there is a class fruit, string taste is equal to sweet, and taste is a variable with value sweet. There is a method print taste of, it has to print taste is, whatever taste we are giving here, that should be printed, that is sweet. Then we have the child class mango. It extends the parent class fruit. So here the variable name is name. It is equal to mango. In this print name of method, it will print name is mango. And in the main method, we have the object for mango class, and memory is allocated using the new keyword. And we are using the object name M1. We call the method print taste of. So it will print taste is sweet. Again, using the object M1, we call print name of method. It prints a name is mango. Hierarchical inheritance, it is the process of extending more than one subclasses from single superclass. There will be more than one subclass for single superclass. Here example, same example is taken here, but we use here two child classes. So two fruits we are going to represent. First one is mango, second one is apple. So here we create the object for mango. When we call the print taste of and print name of methods using that M1 object, which is mango object, then it will print that particular name is mango and taste is sweet. If we create apple object A1, and again if we call the same methods print taste of print name of, it will print taste is sweet and name is apple. The third type of inheritance is multi-level inheritance. It is the process of extending subclasses from another class. So here fruit is there. Fruit is extended by mango. Mango is extended by Malgova. So here fruit is used by mango, and mango is again a parent to Malgova mango fruit. So here we have weight is equal to, in Malgova class, we have its own specific variables, weight equal to 2 and method print weight of. So this method prints weight is 2 kg or weight is 2. So in the main method, we create object for Malgova and then we are printing the taste is sweet, name is mango and weight is Malgova. The fourth type, last type of inheritance is hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is the combination of multi-level and hierarchical inheritance. There will be parent, child and grandparent relationship, and also two or more children for single parent relationship. So here in this example for the fruit class, mango is the child class and papaya is the fruit class. So two children for fruit, mango and papaya. Then for papaya, we have another level of inheritance, papaya without seed. So in this main method, for papaya without seed, weight is 5 kg. So in the main method, we create object for mango. We are printing the taste and the name. It will print taste is sweet, name is mango. Again, papaya without seed. For that, we create object A1. If we print all the methods, if we call the methods using A1 object, it will print taste is sweet. Print taste of will print taste is sweet. Print name of will print and name is papaya. And print weight of will print weight is 5. And there are different access specifiers for inheritance. The first one is private. Although a subclass includes all of the members of its superclass, it cannot access those members of the superclass that have been declared as private. If there is any method or any variable declared as private in superclass, the subclasses cannot use it directly. So example is given here. There is a private variable j. Public variable int I can be changed by the subclass. Class name is A, parent class, and subclass is B. B can change the values of A class I, but J cannot be changed. So it cannot be used by B class. Total equal to I plus J will not execute perfectly. When we call the object when we create an object for the class B, and when we call the method set ij of value to I and j as 10, 20, it cannot execute correctly. It will show error. If the access specifiers are protected, members are protected, then the subclass can access it within the same package. So if there are two packages and subclasses are there in both packages of the parent class, same package subclass only can use protected member of the parent class. This diagram shows that difference. So example is also given here. So the same subclass, the same package subclass can use the parent class variable, which is protected. So here total is equal to I plus j will execute properly. In this video, you have learned about what is inheritance and the types of inheritance: single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Thank you.